I am here at Balalag today. I just delivered my beautiful tile roof for Miss Lalo. Hi, Miss Lalo. How is your experience with Heart of Florida Roofing?
Oh, it's very nice, especially when there is a problem. They mess up my pots, my big pots, but the owner is willing to change it. They pay for it. So I cannot go wrong for that. And I'm having a problem. I told them that I cannot move the plant on another pot, and they told me I can get someone and they pay. So I can recommend that Heart of Florida Roofing is very good.
The 10, you give 10?
Say it again.
The 10, you give 10?
Oh, yes, 10. I can give 13.
Good. Thank you, Miss Lalo. Sorry for your faces. Thank you.